Let's see. Are you looking to make money online? Are you wishing you could quit your job and be free, really free? Are you looking for something real to help you take action today to start your journey to freedom? If you answered yes to this, then be sure and watch this video. This channel is to help people like you really get free. In this video, we delve into a fascinating topic surrounding a unique Etsy loophole that allows individuals to generate income through AI-generated designs. The concept revolves around leveraging artificial intelligence to create innovative and appealing designs that can be sold on the popular e-commerce platform Etsy. By tapping into this loophole, individuals like Byron and Jasmine have achieved remarkable success and financial independence. Their stories serve as inspiring examples of how this business model can lead to substantial income and opportunities for growth. What sets this approach apart is its ease of implementation and scalability, making it accessible to a wide range of aspiring entrepreneurs looking to capitalize on the power of AI and online marketplaces like Etsy. In this segment, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of setting up an Etsy account to take advantage of the unique Etsy loophole for leveraging AI-generated designs. To begin, creating an Etsy account involves providing basic information such as your email address, name, and password. Once your account is set up, the next crucial step is to establish your shop on Etsy. When naming your shop, it is essential to choose a name that reflects your brand and resonates with potential customers. Additionally, selecting language preferences that cater to your target audience can enhance the visibility and appeal of your shop. As you navigate the setup process, it is important to skip certain questions that may not be relevant to your digital product-focused business model. Instead, focus on optimizing your shop for selling AI-generated designs that align with current market trends and customer preferences. By streamlining the setup process and emphasizing the digital product aspect of your shop, you can position yourself for success in leveraging the unique Etsy loophole and maximizing your earning potential through innovative design offerings. In this instructional segment, we will guide you through the process of using artificial intelligence to generate images for t-shirt designs, unlocking a world of creative possibilities. One effective tool for generating design ideas is ChatGPT, a powerful AI platform that can assist in brainstorming and conceptualizing unique and engaging designs. By leveraging ChatGPT's capabilities, you can tap into a wealth of inspiration and innovative concepts to fuel your t-shirt design endeavors. Additionally, we will demonstrate how tools like Leonardo and Runway ML can be utilized to bring these design ideas to life by creating multiple designs with ease and efficiency. These tools offer a user-friendly interface and a range of features that enable you to experiment with different styles, colors, and compositions to craft visually striking t-shirt designs that resonate with your target audience. As you embark on the design process, it is crucial to emphasize the importance of creating a diverse range of images to add value to your t-shirt offerings. By incorporating a variety of themes, motifs, and aesthetics into your designs, you can cater to a broader audience and appeal to different tastes and preferences. This approach not only enhances the overall appeal of your t-shirt collection, but also increases the likelihood of attracting and retaining customers who who are drawn to the versatility and creativity of your designs. By following these guidelines and harnessing the power of AI-driven tools, you can elevate your t-shirt design game and unlock new opportunities for success in the competitive e-commerce landscape. In this segment, we will provide you with a comprehensive guide on how to upload the AI-generated images to Google Drive for seamless access and delivery to your customers. To begin, we will walk you through the process of creating a dedicated folder on Google Drive where you can organize and store your t-shirt designs efficiently. By creating a folder specifically for your designs, you can easily manage and locate the images when needed, streamlining the delivery process and ensuring quick access to your digital products. Once you have uploaded the images to the designated folder, we will demonstrate how to share the folder link with your customers for convenient access to the t-shirt designs. Sharing the folder link allows customers to view and download the images directly from Google Drive, eliminating the need for complex file transfers or email attachments. This straightforward approach simplifies the delivery process and enhances the overall customer experience by providing quick and easy access to the purchased digital products. Moreover, we will highlight the convenience of using Google Drive for digital product delivery, emphasizing its user-friendly interface and robust storage capabilities. Google Drive offers a secure and reliable platform for storing and sharing files, ensuring that your t-shirt designs are easily accessible to customers while maintaining data integrity and privacy. By leveraging Google Drive as a delivery mechanism for your AI-generated images, you can streamline your workflow, enhance customer satisfaction, and establish a seamless and efficient process for distributing digital products to your audience. By following these guidelines and utilizing the features of Google Drive, you can optimize the delivery of your t-shirt designs and provide a hassle-free experience for your customers, ultimately contributing to the success and growth of your online business. In this segment, we will guide you through the final steps of listing your AI-generated t-shirt designs as digital products for sale on Etsy, ensuring a smooth and successful launch of your online store. To begin, we will demonstrate how to add the digital file containing your t-shirt design to the product listing on Etsy. By uploading the digital file, you can showcase your unique designs to potential customers and provide them with a preview of the product they are purchasing. This step is crucial in presenting your t-shirt designs effectively and attracting buyers to your Etsy shop. Additionally, we will explain the importance of creating a Google Doc with download instructions for customers who purchase your digital products. By including clear and concise instructions on how to download and access the t-shirt designs, you can enhance the customer experience and minimize any potential confusion or issues during the delivery process. Providing detailed download instructions demonstrates your commitment to customer satisfaction and ensures a seamless transaction for both you and your buyers. Furthermore, we will encourage you to consider setting up subscription payment plans for recurring income from your digital product sales. By offering subscription payment options, you can establish a steady stream of income from customers who opt for recurring purchases of your t-shirt designs. This approach not only provides financial stability for your online business, but also fosters customer loyalty and engagement by offering exclusive benefits and discounts to subscribers. By diversifying your revenue streams through subscription payment plans, you can maximize the earning potential of your digital products and build a loyal customer base that values your unique designs and offerings. By following these guidelines and incorporating these final steps into your Etsy listing process, you can effectively showcase and sell your AI-generated t-shirt designs to a global audience, positioning your online store for success and growth in the competitive e-commerce landscape. With a focus on quality, customer experience, and innovative business strategies, you can establish a thriving online business that leverages the power of AI technology and digital products to drive sales and create value for your customers. In conclusion, this video has explored the innovative approach of leveraging the unique Etsy loophole for generating passive income through AI-generated t-shirt designs. We began by outlining the process of creating and selling these designs on Etsy, emphasizing the use of artificial intelligence tools like ChatGPT, Leonardo, and Runway ML to generate creative and appealing designs. By setting up an Etsy account, uploading digital products to Google Drive, and listing them on the platform, individuals can tap into a lucrative market and showcase their unique designs to a global audience. The importance of creating a diverse range of images, providing clear download instructions, and offering subscription payment plans for recurring income was highlighted as key strategies for success in this business model. Moving forward, viewers are encouraged to explore further opportunities for passive income by expanding their product offerings, exploring new design ideas, and engaging with their audience to identify trends and preferences. By continuously innovating and adapting to market demands, individuals can unlock additional streams of passive income and maximize their earning potential in the digital marketplace. Finally, viewers are invited to take action by subscribing to the channel for more insightful content, liking the video to show support, and sharing it with others who may benefit from the information shared. By actively engaging with the content and participating in the online community, viewers can stay informed about the latest trends, tips, and strategies for success in leveraging the Etsy loophole for passive income generation. Together, by embracing creativity, technology, and entrepreneurship, individuals can embark on a rewarding journey towards financial independence and success in the dynamic world of e-commerce and digital product sales. But you are probably asking how? Is there a step-by-step guide that will help me do this? The answer is yes. If you're like me, dreaming of making a living doing what you love on YouTube, this course is your ticket to success. It's packed with insider tips, strategies, and practical advice to help you grow your channel, engage your audience, and monetize your content effectively. Click the link below in the description to get started on your new journey today. If you found this valuable and want more information and help like this, please subscribe and like this video. I have loads of videos coming that you do not want to miss. I want to bless you on your journey to financial freedom. I love you and I'm rooting for you. Thanks for watching. I want to see you build your spend power through wealth ideas. Remember, this is your time. Today is your day to start. Take action now.